Hey, what is going on, y'all? Today we're with the two main vehicles of the show, my 2024 Chevy Silverado and my 2021 Street Glide Special. I know I haven't been making a lot of videos about motorcycles, but they are coming. I want you to stay tuned. I got a lot planned for this summer, and I got something lined up, a surprise that's gonna start this weekend, hopefully. But anyway, this video is about the installation of this hitch plug in the truck. This is in the contest that I'm running right now, and I want you to check out the intro to the contest or the rules of the contest coming up in here in a few seconds. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and assemble this and put it on the truck. Let's go. So as I mentioned in the open, this is the hitch plug that I'm gonna be giving away in a contest, and then also I bought one for me to install on my truck. So there's a couple features about this. This fits 2-inch and 1.25-inch receivers. It's got two different sets of brackets in here that you can install on the back to install in your hitch receiver. So I've got a 2-inch hitch receiver. I'm gonna go ahead and put this all together and head back out to the truck here in a little bit. But I think it'll be a nice decorative piece. So here you have the two different brackets that I was talking about. Then you got your screws and some lock washers. Then you have the actual plate. It's plastic on the back and feels like it's an aluminum etched cover on the outside. So that's pretty cool. It's actually aluminum on the outside and plastic in the back. But either way, it should be fairly durable. They even included an extra screw. I'm not sure if they did it on purpose or not, but they did. And the only thing I have to be careful of is I have the multi-flex tailgate. And what I've heard, or even it makes sense, if you have a hitch ball in your truck, when that multi-flex tailgate comes down and you drop it down because it drops and hinges, the ball will hit your truck. So I need to make, or the ball will hit the tailgate. So I need to make sure that this won't hit the tailgate as it comes down. I don't think it will, because it's probably only maybe 3/4 of an inch thick, if that. But definitely something I want to look out for and test after I get this installed. So it's really as simple as this. Put your 4 screws in, make sure they're torqued down. And there we go. It's all assembled and ready to go to be nice and decorative on the truck. I'm gonna go over the bottle opener also that I make here in-house, so that way you can see that and know what you're getting into when you enter the contest. Again, I'm really trying to drive interaction on my channel, commenting, subscribing, getting my ratings up so that way my videos can be shared a little bit more. And that's the true intent of the contest, but then also to give you some value as well as far as watching. So hang on just a sec, I'll get the bottle opener. So the construction of this bottle opener that I made, I've got a Harley Davidson opener. You can get it with or without. The ones that I make in-house, you can get it with or without. It's a little bit more expensive, obviously, if you get the one with the Harley Davidson. But then you've got the eye right here to hang it on the wall or however you choose to hang it. You can probably also double side tape it or whatever the case would be. But that's that eye right there for you to be able to mount that right up there. The slot and the screw goes in. And then you've got the 3 magnets right here that'll catch your bottle cap. It works great. It's really a decorative piece for any Harley owner, and I hope you win it in the contest, or you can order it from me at boonswoodworks@gmail.com. So we're gonna go ahead and get to the installation of the hitch plug itself on the truck and see how it makes it look. So let's go ahead back out to the truck. All right, so I've got the hitch pin that I'm gonna use for now. I wanna try to get a thinner one, and I'll show you why here in a minute. But we'll go ahead and get the install going here. I think that's a great touch on it. But what I want to show you is what I was talking about as far as the multi-flex gate coming down. This space right here is a no-go for me. I think the multi-flex gate is going to come down and hit it. The next space for me to put the pin through is like right up here. So I might have to get a thinner pin or something like that to try to work with it, because I'm not necessarily comfortable with this sticking out the way it is, but we'll see how it goes. I think it's a good look overall though. So now I'm gonna test the multi-flex tailgate to make sure it doesn't hit the plug. I'm gonna do this with one hand while I'm recording, so we'll see how it works out. There you can see it's separated by a little bit. I think it'll be fine. Let me put it down here. So when I step on it, because I won't say what I weigh, but when I step on it, it may push down a little bit, but I think it'll be fine overall. So I don't have to worry about the hitch ball, or in this case, the hitch plug hitting. So that's a good thing. Hey, so I want to thank y'all for watching this video to the end, and I want you to remember to always ride as if your life depends on it. Peace.